This is right beneath where the scaffolding is for the hinge for the quick disconnect. So I'll tilt up and get some different shots here going up. You can see the scaffolding there on the right. It's August 24th, 2021. The quick disconnect is thought to attach in this general area. I'll continue tilting upward, and after that's done, I'll go downward a little bit. Okay, and now we're above the scaffolding there on the right. I can easily go up the tower from this angle. See, that is the top of the tower. And I'll go down back to the scaffolding and get that area once more. You see the scaffolding there on the right. Here we are once again below the scaffolding on the right, and I'll go back up once more. First I'll go down a little bit more to see below this area, and once more back to that scaffolding. Okay. Now I'll drop down to the base of the tower here.